Hi guys and welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to add a photo or an image to a contact, also how to add a ringtone to a contact and to change the call background for all the calls. So here I have a Samsung Galaxy A36 5G from 2025, and to do it you need to go to phone app, and here I have some contacts. Now tap on a contact, tap on the information icon, tap here again, and here tap on the plus sign. And you can choose the photo or the image from a gallery. Here I have some images, and I will choose, for example, this one. And now to set as profile picture, just tap done. And this is how it looks. Also, you can change here the contact picture. You can choose from gallery or take it with your camera. I will choose, for example, another one, and again tap done and save. And this is how it looks, the background, and this is the contact photo. Okay, now to add a ringtone to this contact, again tap on the information icon, now tap on more, and here we have change ringtone and vibration. And from here just choose another ringtone, whatever you want. Let's say, for example, this one, and then tap back, and here is the new ringtone. Okay. Now, the last thing that I want to show you is how to change the call background for all the calls. For that, just tap here on these three dots, tap on settings, tap on call background, and here tap on background again, and you can choose from your gallery. I will go to video, and here are some videos, and I will choose this one, and this is how it looks. It is very nice. And then just tap set as call background, and that's all. And now when you will be called by someone, this video will appear on your phone. So this was my video for today. I hope to be useful for you. If you have any questions, just write me and I will answer. Also, if you like my type of content, you can subscribe, and see you to the next video. Have a nice day.